Family's good? Everybody's good?
Everybody's really, really good. I got so many questions for you, Robert.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh, the Jeff Richard show.
Tell me to what degree that you are a psychic, maybe, and tell me what that even means.
I won't say psychic. I won't say I'm psychic, but I discuss a lot of stuff related to extrasensory perception.
A number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
I think that's why I'm now doing shows like this.
Dude. Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
It's either been a week or it's been
Oh, here we go.
About your hair, I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that.
And you?
No.
Or do you?
No, usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right? I wanted to give you props. That was a long time ago.
You would know. It
Remember
is
that?
an honor.
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You ready up?
boy, killing it, boy,